Hi, in this video we're going to show you a free tool you could use to extract images out of various Office files such as Word, Excel, PowerPoint, and some other types of applications. So it's called Office Image Extraction Wizard. So it's a free download. You just install it and then you run it. Alright, so you just need to simply pick your file and your output folder. So here are the supported formats. You got Word, Excel, PowerPoint, plus all of these other types of formats. So quite a bit to choose from here. Alright, so the files we're going to use it on, we have this Word document here. It just has some basic pictures in it, like so. And then we have a PowerPoint presentation that has some images as well, like that. Alright, so let's do the Word document first. So let's browse to it. Alright, so we're going to put it on the desktop. And then if you check this box here, it will make a folder for you with the name of the file. So click on Next, Start. Alright, so here is the folder that matches the file name. And then here are the images that were inside of that document. Alright, so now let's try it on the PowerPoint file. It always tries to default to documents, so if you don't want to do that, you'll have to browse to your other location every time. Alright, let's click on Next. Let's see what we got here. Okay, so it took the images from the slides, it took the logo, it even took the background image and a thumbnail image. So it made this thumbnail image from the first slide, I believe. It's a little bonus feature, I guess. Alright, so as you can see, it's super easy to use and quite effective. So if you need to extract some images from your Office files, you could use this to do so. Alright, so I'll put a link in the description where you could download Office Image Extraction Wizard and you could try it out for yourself. Alright, thanks for watching and be sure to subscribe.